Hello everyone and welcome to lesson number 44. In this lesson, we're going to learn the superlative form of adjectives. The general rule for Finnish superlative of adjectives is to add in to the weak form of the word. Here are some examples. Paksu, paksuin.
Thick, the thickest.
Hassu, hassuin.
Silly, the silliest.
Hieno, hienoin.
Fine, the finest.
Huono, huonoin.
Bad, the worst.
Kesy, kesyin.
Tame, the tamest.
Hölmö, hölmöin.
Fool, the foolest.
For all words, short and long, ending in a or a, the superlative will replace the final a or a with the superlatives marker in. Remember consonant gradation. These words are weak. Let's look at some examples. Vanha, vanhin.
Old, the oldest.
Hauska, hauskin.
Funny, the funniest.
Köyhä, köyhin.
Poor, the poorest.
Kiva, kivoin.
Nice, the nicest.
Ihana, ihanin.
Lovely, the loveliest.
Halpa, halvin.
Cheap, the cheapest.
New words are often loan words. Usually they're recognizable because they resemble words in other languages. For these words, the final e will be replaced with ein. Here are some examples. Kiltti, kiltein.
Kind, the kindest.
Akuutti, akuutein.
Urgent, the most urgent.
Intiimi, intiimein.
Intimate, the most intimate.
Siisti, siistein.
Cool, the coolest.
Moderni, modernein.
Modern, the most modern.
Villi, villein.
Wild, the wildest.
For old adjectives ending in e, you will replace the final e with in. Here are some examples. Suuri, suurin.
Big, the biggest.
Nuori, nuorin.
Young, youngest.
Pieni, pienin.
Small, the smallest.
For adjectives ending in e, add in to the end of the word. Here are some examples. Ahne, ahnein.
Greedy, the greediest.
Terve, tervein.
Healthy, the healthiest.
There are many groups of adjectives that end in a consonant. Adjectives ending in as, you need to replace the as with ein from the strong stem. Adjectives ending in is, replace the is with ein from the strong stem. Adjectives ending in ut or ut, replace t with in. Adjectives ending in nut or nyt, replace ut or ut with ein. Here are some examples. Puhdas, puhtain.
Clean, the cleanest.
hidas, hitain,
slow, the slowest,
kallis, kallein,
expensive, the most expensive,
kevyt, kevyin,
light, the lightest,
ohut, ohuin,
thin, the thinnest,
väsynyt, väsynein,
tired, the most tired.
For adjectives ending in nen, you should remove the nen and add sin. Here are some examples. Suomalainen, suomalaisin.
Finnish, the most Finnish,
Sininen, sinisin.
blue, the bluest,
Tavallinen, tavallisin.
normal, the most normal,
Iloinen, iloisin.
happy, the happiest,
Hiljainen, hiljaisin.
quiet, the most quiet,
Vihainen, vihaisin.
angry, the angriest.
The following words are important because they do not follow the rules we have just learned. Now it's your turn. Conjugate the following adjectives.
Iso, isoin, kiinalainen, kiinalaisin, kevyt, kevyin, uusi, uusiin, kaunis, kaunein, terve, tervein, mukava, mukavin, punainen, punaisin.
Kiitos! See you in the next lesson!